Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to access your Coinbase transaction history, how to access the purchases that you made. So this is your Coinbase dashboard, and from here you want to go to manage account. There actually used to be an option where you could go directly to the reportings, but now you need to access it from your account. So the dashboard of Coinbase, it can change every now and then, but don't worry, I will show you how to access it. So now you're in your account and you want to go to statements. And in your statements, you can see your transactions. It goes all the way back to when you first started your account, but you can also access it from the last 30 days, for example. And you can download your transactions and see your purchase history in HTML, in PDF, and in CSV. So let's access it in PDF. Now the report is generating, and you can simply download it from here. So now here is your transaction history from Coinbase. You see I didn't make any purchases in the last 30 days, but if you did, your transaction and your purchases will appear here. And that's that, simple as that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to put a thumbs up, to subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next one.